buying special gifts. Why don't we give love on Christmas Day? A blessed day to all of you, my dear sisters. Alam nyo, napapakanta talaga ako ng Christmas songs at napapareflect about love sa mga panahon na to. Lalo na, December is just 2 months from now. And it's a season of love, a season of giving, a season of making people happy. And so on behalf of Social in Action team, we are knocking on your hearts to help us make the Christmas of Bunga extra special this year. I'm sure your simple act of kindness, your generosity will bring joy, will bring hope, happiness, and smile to the faces of the Bunga children. Para sa ating mga kapatid dito sa US na gustong magbigay ng gift, pwede niyong ipadala through Zelle kay Grace. Para sa ating mga kapatid sa Eurasia and Philippines, pwede niyong ipadala kay Oli. At para sa ating mga kapatid sa Canada, pwede niyo ring ipadala through Beng. So mga kapatid, let's do this. Let's make their Pasko extra special. Let's make God happy this Christmas. God bless you.